AI has completely changed how online businesses are built. And with AI Scale Stack, you can turn artificial intelligence into your very own automated email business. Here's how it works. AI Scale Stack comes with custom AI bots that take care of everything for you. They write your emails, grow your list, and even turn that list into consistent income, all while running in the background. That means you can build a business that works 24/7 without needing products, ads, or complicated funnels. It's built for beginners so you don't need writing skills, tech experience, or even niche to get started. You can manage everything in under 30 minutes a day and focus on living life instead of grinding nonstop. And since it comes with a money back guarantee, you can try it completely risk free. If you're ready to turn AI into your own automated business, click my link in the description and start with AI Scale Stack today.